what you can also do is generate out color bars inside of Shotcut. So to do that, you need to click on open other, and over here you can see that color bar is an option. And once you click on this here, you can see that there are different color bars right here. So you can select out a color bar that you wish and press OK, and you can see that the color bar is there. You can go around, click and drag this on the timeline, and the color bar will be there on the timeline right here. Similarly, you can go around, select out different kinds of color bar right here. You can see that there's FUBK right here, there's Philips color bar right here, there's SMPTE color bar right here, which you see on television, and these are different kind of color bars, as you can see, from classical to modern version of color bars right here. You can see that you can choose out different color bars according to what you want. So that is how you can easily add out and generate out color bars so that you can use them out in the timeline inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.